Actually,
ekiro kyaijo omakuru gaitu agagomesi kwolekerege omulingo abantu halatabuzire n'ebitongole ebitali ebya gavumenti bikubanja embalira eya sente eza COVID-19 ezo ezasorozibwe halatabuzire n'ebyokulya ebyaherezibweyo habutebe obwateyiwo omukulwanisa ekinzikaita ekiya COVID-19 handengo ezikwawukana nezo ezanyamasaza
abantu bakaguza sente z'ebizona zikagiya akawa sente za bamemba ba parliament bagaruyire akawa sente za rugyo mu central government akawa sente za irukiriro abantu bo bakonfirming ngo wewe ngubo bakatunga kahunga n'ebihimba runne n'ebitakuli ebinde sente ali zagenze tubazimanye.
People now have lost hope. People do not have confidence in the structures that govern because of this accountability issue. Now that people can no longer give in things or give in help, because since the call was brought out, we have not had anybody come out say, I have brought this, I have brought this. It is as a result of the transparency issue from the district.
Bano bakaba bebembejwemu ab'ekitongole ekya RDP Uganda bayolekya omulingo abantu bakusobora okutajumbira okuhayo omurundo gwa kandi na muno omukayirikano akomukugiro ogwo murundi ogwa kabiri kino kibalesere batabijwaire kandi okusigikira hali Moses Kaliyegira akora nka district kamaso officer bakatunga emiliyoni 214 omusente za Uganda alatabuzire n'ebyokulya yasobora omulingo byagabiriwemu.
Pastor Bagonza contribution of 20 mattresses was estimated at 1.7 million. Ministry of Health, 300 kilograms of maize flour and 100 kilograms of sugar, 900,000. Research, development and training, they gave us 1 million. Total cash, when you convert all those items, Mandamara DC, the total was 214,635,000 only. But of course, some were not money. We were just costing them in terms of money for better accountability. Then we received other items apart from those ones which we have costed. These ones we did not cost them, but this included Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom. They gave us sanitizers, 60.5 liters, masks, 19 packets of 50 pieces each, infrared thermometers, 2 pieces, gloves, 15 packets of 30 pieces each. That was Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom.
Read it out, because whoever is coming to me is talking about previously we sent you, but we never know, we were not acknowledged, we were not told what our money was used for, so it became a problem that this time around we are also stuck. We need those people again.
Dr. Patrick Baguma akukura ebyobwomezi omunyamasaza eyamasindi agumuzenti nkeirwaro eyamasindi main bakatunga emiliyoni 8 omusente za Uganda okurugwa mu gavumenti bazikolesa omukurubasa abarwaire aba COVID-19 okurugwa munyamasaza eyamasindi okugenda mu irwaro area Hoima okusasura ezala.
That's what the center money from the center.
That's what the breakdown they are looking.
Yeah, they gave us a budget of spending that money. Yes. If I go into the budget line, how the money was spent, we had some pillars. The pillars where the money was able to spend was as follows. Under coordination, monitoring, supervision of COVID-19 activities, we had payments twice. First phase payment was 14,760,000. Second payment phase was 4,520,000. A total of 19,280,000 for the first phase release. When it came to surveillance teams to respond on alerts, contact tracing, the first phase payment was 12,600,000. Then the second phase payment was 1,255,000. It brought a total of 13,855,000. When it came to case management teams to manage the patients, first phase we were able to release 19,760,000. Then the second phase we were able to release 6,500,000. A total of 26,260,000. Then when it came to conducting communications, whereby we had people to respond on this communication, we had to spend 3,700,000. Then it came to infection prevention and control. First phase we were able to pay 5,650,000.
Habuzibu ha miliyoni nkaga ezibatungira kuruga hali abakurasa mu rukwato rukuru rw'ihanga bino nibyo atugambire.
For roads, So given the condition of the road, of the hospital road at that time, so the district council deemed it wise to put this money onto that road so that it can make movement of our patients a little bit easier, because pregnant mothers were complaining about the condition of that road as they were being transferred to the maternity ward. So it was in good faith that the district council committed those resources for that road. And apparently, if you have been to the hospital, you realize that the road is now in a better shape than it was before. Although
nsonga zino zennyini we akukura ekitongole ekya RDP Uganda tumwete Executive Director Robert Muhangi Noharugire yasaba obutebe buno okurura nti tibwalindaga okubanza okwabuzibwa embaliira baitu baruge Uganda bagihereza omukugonza batabandize okwabuzibwa akanana katano.
COVID-19 task force has done is a sign of good accountability. However, would caution that they shouldn't be taking long for them to produce such an accountability after people have exerted pressure on them. I know people have been demanding for that accountability, and also on 25th of June, that is last Friday, civil society organizations in Masindi sat on at Country Inn, and one of the resolution was to write a formal petition demanding for that accountability. But when they come out and provide such accountability, it is a good sign of accountable government. Thank you the RDC, thank you the CAO, and thank you the DA.